Hello there. Today we'll be updating you on the status of our production process. We're almost getting to its final stage and are eager to share the news. As we speak, the sensors of our kits are being produced. As soon as we receive them, you'll be the first to know how they look, as we'll share it through our Kickstarter updates and on social media. We also wanted to update you on the delivery of your kits. We'll start shipping them on the 15th of September of this year. If you haven't done so already, please make sure that the shipping information we have associated with your order is up to date. You can update it in your Kickstarter account or by sending us an email to contact@coredata.cc. Before starting with the shipping, we'll contact everyone and make sure that we have the right shipping address or update the one we have if needed. Feel free to contact us if you have any sort of doubts, as we'll be happy to update you on any stage of the process whenever needed. We're eager for you to get your kits, and it's just a few weeks until we make open source motion capture a tangible reality. Let's keep on moving.